In this video, we will demonstrate on how to properly install and lubricate your gear assembly. First, we will take apart the gear assembly by using the Allen wrench. Removing all components, which includes the handle portion, tension spring, gear piece, and gear housing. We will apply a small amount of grease to the tension spring and gear piece to minimize noise, as well as provide lubrication while in operation. We will then reassemble the gear assembly in the correct order, starting with the gear piece, gear housing, tension spring, and the handle portion. Tighten the lock nut so all the components do not move during the installation process back onto the machine. Make sure to align the gear assembly, the same as per the markings during removal of the gear assembly as shown. If your machine is really old and no longer have these markings, you would be required to install it the best you can and spend additional time readjusting it till the gear assembly and center shaft is properly aligned in comparison to just reference the markings as shown. After you have successfully installed the gear assembly, simply run a test to ensure the quality and consistency is to your expectations.